Why mold is a silent killer? Maybe one day you are feeling no rash, no fever, just common fatigue, brain fog, mystery coughs, and your doctor couldn't figure it out what is happening. So, the killer will be inside your bathroom, inside your walls, and even floating in the air that you breathe. Nearly 47% of home have it, and it is called mold, the ultimate silent killer. There are over 5 million species of fungi on earth, and most are harmless, but a few hundred can ruin your health. Some molds are actually heroes, like example like penicillin, the miracle drug that saved over 200 million people. But then we got a killers like Aspergillus, the mold that pumps out aflatoxins, which also called as mycotoxins, powerful toxins on the planet that enter your lungs and suppress your immune system. Mold is like a fungus and just like mushrooms, but a sneaky indoor version, especially Aspergillus, and that we can call it as a black mold. It reproduces by launching millions of microscopic spores into the air, and each time you can't even see them, how they are populating and reproducing. You can't even smell at first. But they land, find one drop of moisture, and start growing silently behind your drywall or under your carpet, or it can be in your bathroom grout. So, what are the environments? Like closed doors, poor ventilation, a tiny leak that you never noticed. That's all it needs. And once it is inside, it just irritates your lungs and it releases this mycotoxins chemicals that can shut down your body's first and second lines of defense. That's why one family member gets hit hard and others don't get it at all. It all comes down to one important thing, that is glutathione. Your body naturally produces glutathione and helps to detox your body using this antioxidant. High levels, you can fight it off. Low levels, mold intoxicity. There are several studies that shows almost 4.6 million asthma cases in the US alone linked with mold. Infants exposed in their first year almost 3 times more likely to develop asthma and such kind of respiratory diseases. And also, Mayo Clinic research shows almost 93% of chronic sinus infections are mold related. And these are the bad effects of mold. Mold can cause, this mycotoxins can cause respiratory issues like asthma, wheezing, coughing, and also it increases the immune suppression, fatigue, and brain fog. Also, it induces allergy reactions. In severe black mold cases, even neurodegenerative symptoms and lung damage. Inhaled mycotoxins can increase up to 20 times more toxic than if we eat them. And because it grows hidden, most people never connect that dots. That's why we can call it as a silent and deadly. So, how mold invades your home? But they only explode when they find moisture. It can be indoor or it can be outdoor. Your home will be the favorite spot. Why? Because water leakage or slow drips. It can be from bathrooms or kitchen. And also poor ventilation. If you are not allowing the UV rays to enter your home, that can also cause some mold to spread on your home. Then basement attics, behind drywall, any closed or humid spaces. So how you can defend starting from today? Just you are getting symptoms and suspect heavy exposure, get out of that area immediately and take a fresh air at first. So if that area is less, you could spot only 1-2 areas in your home, like a marshmallow kind of a structure, and see black moles or black spots in that area. Put on mask, cover your skin, and spray white vinegar or hydrogen peroxide directly on the hard surface. Both can kill mold which comes in contact. Let it sit for some time, then wipe it off. So, third important step is to fix the root cause. So, what caused mold to grow? First, repair every single water leakage or blockage that you are having in your home. Then, second step is run exhaust fan in your bathrooms, in your kitchens, wherever this moisture buildup is happening. Open windows daily. Let sunlight hit every corner and UV light kills mold. Improve airflow and use dehumidifier if required. If you see black mold covering large areas or it keeps coming back, then hire a professional for remediation. A quick daily habit. After every shower, run your exhaust for at least 20 minutes. So that will help to wipe your surface and make it dry. So there is one organic tip that according to a scientific study, tea tree oil is one of the most powerful natural antifungal. It doesn't just kill mold, it stops pores from spreading, and that's how you can solve that problem. Mold is a silent killer because it is invisible. It's common, it strikes slowly over months or years. But now you know exactly how to stop it and how to spot it and protect your family and yourself from that danger. Check your home this weekend. Look for damp spots, musty smells, or unexplained health issues that disappears when you leave from your home. Mold could be that issue.